say I told you so, but I told you so.
You will pay.
They are relentless. Villains will do anything to push their way to the front. What now? Oh yes, the fairy godmother no one wants. Maleficent.
To be frightened of me? Isn't that right, my pet? I'm merely here to propose that I am the most misunderstood of all. Haven't you ever been forgotten? Left off the list? Omitted from a grand affair that the entire kingdom is attending? Except you. It's so crushing! I've been woefully misinterpreted. You'll love me at once. Wasn't it my curse that brought Sleeping Beauty the kiss of true love? I suppose you could say that the happily ever after of Princess Aurora was my doing. Does anyone ever think of it like that? Tragically misunderstood! Magic mirror on the wall. Misunderstood. Is that your call?
No, that would be them.
Perfect! They've seen the light! It's never wrong to make things right! No idea what's the way to us
Villains do love a dramatic exit.